If you're a Disney Plus subscriber in Europe, you might see HDR features like Dolby Vision are missing. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The German Disney Plus subscribers on Reddit first reported the issue, but later it expanded to Portugal, Poland, France, and the Netherlands as well. Disney issued a statement saying Dolby Vision support for content on Disney Plus is currently unavailable in several European countries due to technical challenges. We're actively working to restore access to Dolby Vision and will provide an update as soon as possible. 4K UHD and HDR support remains available on supported devices. If the issue is in fact technical, it seems like it could be around for long. Despite being a feature of Disney Plus for several years now, Disney has removed Dolby Vision from its support page in Germany. Experts suggest that it's not a technical issue, but rather something else is brewing behind walls. A company called InterDigital won an injunction in a German court case against Disney in November 2025 because it violated at least one of the company's patents on streaming video technology. The injunction demanded Disney to stop violating InterDigital's patent, and it's still unclear how that directly affects Disney Plus offering Dolby Vision in Europe, but it could explain why users in Germany were among the first to notice the issue. Even the Disney Plus in US removed Dolby Vision's mention from support page. While InterDigital has not won US's injunction, but the company is still trying in the US District Court for the Central District of California. That doesn't necessarily mean Dolby Vision will be taken away from US subscribers next, but it does suggest that the situation is more complicated than a simple technical issue. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.